Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a thumbnail of your short video on YouTube. Okay, so we are going to start. I'm gonna open YouTube. Okay, from here you are going down where it say you. Make sure you are connected to the right channel. Scroll down, you see your videos. I'm gonna go for short. From here I'm gonna select this one. You press where is those three dot are, edit. From edit you click edit again on top of your picture. From here you can select the picture you want. Let's say if I want this one, this one. Okay, and then you press in the corner here to save it. Again save, and your thumbnail have been changed as you can see here. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share and subscribe. Ciao.